Hey guys, welcome all for this video. And in this video, I'm gonna help you to understand what is the sublister and how this sublister tool will be leveraged to gather the subdomains of target and how this tool will work, right? So this is a Python tool which is designed to enumerate the subdomains of a website using OSINT techniques. So OSINT stands for Open Source Intelligent Gathering. That means like gathering all the information about the target which is available to the public. And this tool will be used most of the bug bounty hunters and penetration testers to gather the target subdomains. And as it is OSINT tool, it's gonna gather the information using the various search engines which are listed over here, and this tool even has something called subbrute. With the help of this root, even we can identify the subdomains by performing the brute force, and that is something which we are not looking for this video. Probably I'm going to create another video to explain about the subbrute and how to gather the subdomains using a brute force, right? So let's get into it. Let's download this tool into our Kali Linux operating system by doing git clone. Just copy this link, then go to your terminal, just download it. So I got the fatal error because I already downloaded it just now. Even you can have a look at into it. Yeah, have downloaded this tool, and here is a Python script, Python tool, right? So let's run this tool on on okay, okay. I have to go to Sublist3r directory. Then let's use this with sudo python, then sublist3r. Then you can give h to see all the available options, right? So hyphen h is for help and hyphen d is for defining the domain, target domain. Then even you can use subroot to perform the brute force attack. So here is the options for that. Then you can do the brute force attack on a specific port to gather and identify the subdomains. And when you want to check the verbose information, yeah, of course, this is gonna give you a lot of information. What is this tool is doing in the background and real-time information. Then you can define the threads. Then you can specify the specific search engine that you want to use, and you can save the output using hyphen o. So let's do this. So let's just give sudo, then use Python, then the tool sublister.py, then you can give the domain, that is example.com. There you can replace your target domain name. Then let's just save this over here. Yeah, example subdomains, then hit enter. As you can see, it started searching in various search engines, and probably within a short span of time it's gonna give us all the subdomains of example.com. So you can feel free to run any scans or any testing on this example.com, because this is basically for documentation purpose. Aina has given. And why I got this Python error? Oh my god, yes. As you can see, I got all the subdomains of the example.com. I guess this all the subdomains would have saved in file. Yeah, here is a file. So you can give cat, then example subdomains. Yeah, here is our subdomains, right? So this is a way you know leverage this tool to gather the subdomains of your target and then start doing testing on this, right? I hope you people have enjoyed this video, and I'll be posting other videos also future days. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll be posting this soon